In this video, I will show you exactly how to log in to your Typeform account so you can start building beautiful forms and surveys right away. The process is very straightforward, but there are a few different ways to get into your dashboard depending on how you originally set up your account. First, you will need to open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Typeform login page. Once you have arrived there, you will see several options available to you. It is very important that you choose the specific login method that matches the way you initially created your account to avoid any confusion or the creation of a duplicate account. For those of you who have an account linked to a Gmail address or a Google workspace, simply look for the button labeled Login with Google. Clicking this will prompt you to select your Google account and verify your identity quickly. Alternatively, if your Typeform account is connected to an Office 365 or a general Microsoft account, you should click the button that says Login with Microsoft. This is the perfect option for corporate users or anyone integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem. There is also an option for those who prefer using their Apple ID, which you can access by clicking the Login with Apple button. Now, if you are someone who signed up using a more traditional approach with a standard email and a unique password, you will not need those external buttons. Instead, look for the designated text fields on the page. Carefully type your registered email address into the first box, and then enter your password into the field right below it. Make sure there are no typos so the system can verify your credentials. Once you have filled in your details or selected your preferred provider, all you have to do is click the large button that says Log in to Typeform. After a quick moment of loading, you will be taken directly to your workspace where you can manage your forms and view your latest responses. It truly is that easy to get started working with Typeform. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.